Gauri? Hey Gauri, what are you doing?
Can't you see? I'm studying.
Enough of studying. Come, let's play. Today we'll play a new game.
I can't come, Kittu. Before leaving for her work, my mom told me to take care of our home.
Why should you take care?
Every day, a black cat comes and drinks up all the milk. I'm supposed to stop it from coming in.
You yourself told me to love all the animals. Then why are you not letting it to enter your home?
It's not just that, Kittu. The black cat is drinking up all the milk and breaking up all the pots.
Is that so? Then let's close all the doors and windows. Come.
Kittu, I'll close this window. You go close the other.
Okay, Gauri. Gauri, now the cat will not enter the home. Let's go and play.
Okay, Kittu. Let's go now. Huh? Oh, the cat has come again and drunk up all the milk and broke the pot.
Where did you go to? Did I not tell you to take care of the home? You're forgetting your duties these days. Look at what the cat has done now.
Gauri? Gauri? Gauri, what happened? Why are you like that?
My mom scolded me.
Why?
The black cat came again, drank up all the milk and broke all the pots.
Is that so? Didn't we close all the doors and windows?
We did, but I don't know how it came in.
Come on, let's go in and see. Look, Gauri. I'm sure that the cat must have come through that.
Yes, Kittu, let's close that too.
How shall we close that?
We'll close it with those sticks. I'll get the sticks, you climb up and you close it.
We'll shut it with sticks. Fine. What if it pushes the sticks and comes in?
We'll do one thing. We'll stay at home and keep watch. We'll know where it's coming from.
Yes, Gauri. Come on, let's close it.
Kittu, close it quickly. It's time for the cat to come.
It's done, Gauri. I've closed it.
Come, let's go and hide quickly. Shh, listen. Seems like the black cat has come.
Look, catch it. It's running away. You can't escape from me today. See what I'll do to you today. Oh, no. It escaped. I'll take care of you later when you come back. Gauri, you know how you are looking like right now? You're looking like a demon.
Well, enough of laughing. You couldn't even catch a cat.
How many times should I tell you to stay at home? What are you doing? all the flour has dropped onto the floor. I'm asking you, reply. Let anything go wrong this time and I'll tell you.
Gauri, why you like that? Did your mother scold you again?
Yes, Kittu. She scolds me every day. It's not in my hands to stop the cat.
Don't feel sad, Gauri. This time we'll think of a wonderful plan to stop it from entering your home.
What's the plan?
Huh? How about getting a dog to keep watch all the time?
No, Kittu. My mother doesn't allow pets.
How about using a net?
That's not possible for us to do. Think of something else.
Huh? Gauri, I've got a good idea.
What is it? Good idea. But where do we get it from?
Why do you bother about it? I'll take care.
Okay, this time at least we have to definitely catch it.
Gauri, everything is ready. It's time for the cat to come.
You're right. Come on, it's time for the cat to come. Let's go and see. Shh, don't talk. If the cat hears us, it will not come.
Look, Gauri, the mouse is escaping and running away. Look, catch it, Gauri, catch it.
The cat is also running behind it.
Catch it, Gauri, catch it. Ah! I hurt myself. Mommy! Ouch! Ah! Gauri, isn't this the same cat? How did it come to you?
This is a good cat, Kittu. I served it milk and it became my friend.
Gauri, move away. Give me a chance. I'll get rid of this cat.
Stop, Kittu. Stop. Don't beat it. If we harm it, it'll harm us too. Did you not see what happened to your leg? That's why we should not harm the animals around us. Now this cat drinks milk and stays with me, but does not touch anything in the house. Therefore, we should love all the animals around us and not harm them. Do you understand that?